Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Zoo Airdrop new update. Zoo Airdrop tokens allocations reduce. What to expect? Is it USDT or dust? Tell me in the comment section. Now this is the update. They say, friends, as promised, we have completed the domination by removing 3 zeros from the total supply and your balances for easier calculations. We have rounded your tokens up, so you have received slightly more than your initially earned. Your updated balances are already reflected in the app. Feel free to check. Now let's check the balances and know what's up. They say mining has ended. You have tokens 48,107, but initially I was having 48 million. So they have removed the 3 zeros as they said. So now this is what I'm left with. Is this going to cook or are we just wasting our time? Tell me in the comment section, what do you think? What do you think about Zoo Airdrop? Just tell me in the comment section. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe, like, and share. And also join my WhatsApp group where I share updates and everything you need to know about airdrops. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.